Welcome back to Toga TV and welcome to this brand new movie called So the Father, So the Son. And this movie is a life learn lesson to everybody. So all of the elder people that are out there will know the lesson here we may try produce to YouTube or everybody work on YouTube. You watch it already there, yard already abroad, anywhere you're there. Give thanks same way. So here I want to know now. So the number up on the screen. If you don't want to do any promotion, just contact the number here. For promotion purposes only. If you're calling me, you won't be getting my phone. Alright? So if you text me on WhatsApp about business, you will get to me, right? So contact the number on the screen for anything you want. The promotion and purposes only. Let me say it again. And remember, I see that 98% of you guys aren't subscribed. Remember, click the subscribe button because the subscribe button is free, right? We don't charge for that. It's free. That's the only thing we don't charge for. It just give back a strength to the channel. Remember, subscribe and put the bell to all, right? So everybody can enjoy the movie and click the bell, click the like button, I mean, so we can work smoothly with the algorithm, right? So that is all. Remember, watch the movie to the end. Like, so the Father, so the Son. We don't know what the name there in the head. Alright, let's go.
Wagwan!
Look at that.
No, this scary.
Yeah, God. Come get it out. Oh, God, you live, man. You alright?
Yeah, we're alright.
Come on, go in the house.
I clean the hair and try to clean up
Thank
the
you for
place
that.
and stuff. You can't believe you come up.
Yes, nice, too. Baby, come here. Come over. You see, right now, you have to change my life. You see me? I'm going to talk up. If you don't believe me, hold on there. Father, you see this? You want to sell it, give it. I'm trying to show my daughter some change. Done with jail, but done with badness. Watch and I want to spend some time with daughter. Link up here. Link up yourself. Daughter. Baby, I'm a daughter. But the money will be sending from the prison. If it's start over.
The money?
Yeah. Watch and now, I'm going to need them the rubbish. So it's all come on here now. We start over. So watch out, sit down and talk. Sit down and give the baby.
The children can never rock out, so now you can run out to your stuff.
Alright, God. First thing, whole life.
Life kind of rough, but me I try to take it easy.
You have a boyfriend?
No.
You have a boyfriend? So you rent up and everything?
Well, we managed to pay the
Yo,
cars.
now watch that. Different thing, man. You see me? All of my life, I dedicated to you. I miss out on a lot. You see me? A lot. So watch out now. I go all a bed and then we just talk You get what me answer and get to know, pick up when I left off. Put yourself here.
Alright.
Come on, baby.
Alright. Never got him on the night, please. I don't want to. Just walk through the room.
Alright. I'm not talking about you see them thing, when you dash them, you hear it?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Brittany,
Yeah?
where you there?
See me out here, so?
Up on the veranda.
Yeah.
God know better. Feel fresh. Start off a new life, you know?
Yeah. So, Daddy, me have a question to ask you.
Anything, my baby. Hold on. Fresh. Alright, my baby. What now?
How was it like in prison?
First thing first, when I drop soap. What different from that? Good. Bad for you. Bad for me. One good because I learn a lot. Only for experience. I know so one place where can build you and also break you. You get what I say? So that's the most I can give you right now at this moment. But the greatest thing, prison hell, I'm go through hell. I'm there, you know, to spend time with you in heaven. I'm a matter of fact, not my little princess, my big princess. You get what I say? So like school and everything, because I don't even know, like, no disrespect, I know your levels of education, because you get, you know, rare, I want to worry.
Oh.
You see me? So what school, or your levels, or your education?
Well, school good and achieve a lot.
Oh God, man.
Because mommy did that here for me.
That
And
is.
no matter how I ask her a question about you, she always not talk. So that's the reason why I fear
Tell us something, you see, your mother, my mother was a good lady. When my mother book through me young, I never know the value of she. Me was a problem, but me young, so I never blame myself. But your mother was a good person. I just get caught up in her badness and I couldn't drop it. Most of my time in prison, I spend time to protect you. Because them used to roll it with my enemy. You never know, so I have a daughter. Oh God, you're not there, so. So just big up mommy, hear that? Although she don't like me, just big up mommy. You see me? So as what I say now, you have to finish school or you have to deal with the work now.
You finish school?
You finish school, so where are you now? Work?
Well, me I try look for a job, yes, but it just not come true as yet.
But remember say last time you were talking, you tell me say, even when I later you tell me say you like movie, you like acting and them thing there.
Yeah, I like that, but alright, I go Cosmo school, right?
Yeah.
So I do here now for the time being just to get money and to buy certain things that I need. But I still want to do something else, not just doing here alone.
Yo, watch out man, we have all the time in the world now. We lose out a lot. So me have to go make up for the past and plus me have to go fill in for the future. So me there right now. Badness, my past. You get to me and say yo, the future. That's all I can say right now, my baby. Yo, I'm glad to see you here.
Yeah, we'll have to catch up on
Yo, now worry yourself, man. I'm there now, man. Is it 1 second there? What call me, I'm just forward. Charge. Father Styler. Yes, I'm forward. Now worry yourself, man. Just have a reason with that, man. I come link up right now, man. You get what I say? Right now, at this moment, I come give you a link. Hear that? You see me? Make them know, say, yo, coloring book boss back. Hear that? Alright, my father. Baby. Phone syrup here.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Alright. What you feel going on now, Daddy?
Yeah, boy, an idea, I have some things to deal with now. I passed through today, come drink a tea, but I can't hurry or say no, because the boy them look for me, you see?
Daddy, I want you to know son a boy can't do nothing, you know. Your son have your back, you know, Daddy.
You know, I don't want you to think like you're a bad man, you know. Because I want you to be a good person. You see, my lifestyle is different from your lifestyle.
I know, Daddy, but I have to carry on your legacy. I must you put it down, so I have to take it up.
I'm not put it down, you know. I'm know what I think about my legacy. You were dead, you see? Yeah, alright? You better go do some music and look a girl. Right? No matter really. This man, I talk to you as a father. Right? Most of your life growing up, you'll hear from me from behind the bars. And see no man some problem now how to go up behind the bars again if they hold me. Boy, them a look for me, you know.
Yeah, you have to be skillful though.
Yeah, what go on? Oh, they come on the yard there. Ah, yo, you know what? I go back on the hillside now. I go up on the hillside. We don't in a flat here, but I go back on the hillside because you know, say, that's not too safe, you know. You have to stick to the bush because them now come in the bush, you know. Give thanks to heads up, man. Move me and move now. Ah.
You say I don't know that.
But talk to your mother and come back.
Alright.
Yeah, man. You go up on the road, you know. Right. You know, your son not grow good. You know what I mean? You do a good job. But me I talk a while ago and him a tell me about badness. You teaching badness?
How much road in go and hear them or something? Why am I going to teach my own pitney badness?
Where you grow yourself? It's like you grow a beard. Remember, some of the dead man, you know, you have your shape, no bother the beard thing, you know. You hear me?
You hear me?
So you hear me I say now? Hope you not give you something I'm not there, you know.
So you can't love man, do that. If you say, me I get you to next body now here, next generation. But me not really like man, I look here.
You hear me I say now? Me go on the road, I go on the road now because the boy them a look for me, you know. But you want now, I'm circle and link about later, here?
Right.
Me check out, you want now?
Good.
Alright, so I'm open the hills, you know, we have some coconut and some stuff there, you know.
Just carry on a few coconuts.
Alright, so. One. You're a mess now, son. Go on, wallet, is it?
Yeah, man. I go look
You go become a man.
I'm a man already that
Yes. So what I say to you now, I don't want you to pick on badness because you may not live it out. First time badness and nowadays badness is two different badness. Badness is not like first time. Right? So we don't want you in it. I have to do it now because I started already and it's hard to finish it. So I just want to hold something and I clear up. Right? It may no more to start that road there. You understand? I'm going to start it. So anyway, we'll check it later. Where you want now?
Yeah, man, I can't try about something daddy.
Alright, that's
But
all.
it's nice. What's the name take a boy like?
Hello?
Hold that one.
I'm there, where you from?
Oh.
You know, the police don't hold me now, so I'm down for doing a lockup. But leave me liar, right?
You didn't lock up?
Daddy know
Yeah, man, I'm left out, man. That's why set me up. You know what I mean?
So you just left the yard?
Which boy do that? Which boy do that?
Man, talk to my calling officer. Yo, I'm done talking, man. I'm going to talk to my call, man. Yeah, man, I'm going to tune now. Just leave me liar, right? Making the on a case, you know what I mean?
Alright.
So, give them money. Yeah, that's do that right now, is it?
Right now?
Yeah, man, just leave me lie right now and tell him, say, boy, I'm in a lock up. You know what I mean?
So who informed upon you?
No one about the party. Just get the lie up on the case right now. I don't have time to focus on that one. The lie up on the case now. Press
Half
them,
my
is
little
it?
feel, you know.
I know.
Alright, me I go do that. Me I do that.
Great.
Hello. Yeah, good morning, Mr. Wellington.
Tell the man up, no moment. Take man, no man.
Madam, you do hold on. You know, say me have Jesus, please, me are confused.
I'm chatting to him.
You talk, man. Me don't feel like you want.
Yo. You know what I'm saying? They lock up my father though. Yeah, man. Not too long, in the dust left here.
You can get the money, you can get the money.
Yeah, mommy saying make you get the money. No say much of tea.
Money are no problem. You will get the money. Just get him out of there. Because you know people stay in there. So.
No man, I'll him get 17.
Just, yeah. As soon as I deal with you, you can come to me for money. Or you send me your account number, I send you it. Yeah, alright. Link more you done.
I'm not saying, I'm do it right now.
Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to send me account number, I send the money night. But your father just like us, how they catch him so quick?
Mommy, somebody have to feel it. And daddy tell me about love badness, somebody have to feel it.
No, I'm not so badness, cousin.
Mommy,
I don't know where you get this from, but I know you say you get a road, they go get that from, you know. And so me grow you. Somebody have to feel it, yes, but I know you don't know where it.
I don't want to hear nothing yet, I have to talk foolish.
Yo. Well done, man.
I pray my son, man, Frank.
Like a lucky him.
No, man, I know more electronic people study, man.
But they put it here.
You know, I think I'm a nice type bad man.
What do you do? You put an idea.
I'm there, so I go on normal, you know. I'm not feeling like about you, my beard.
More than a bathroom.
Yeah, man, I think feeling like about you.
Go and look at him, man. You can do it, idea.
What?
Well,
Boy, for dead?
this is down with them fancy, man. The orange strap, spin on 6 bar, that's it.
Yeah.
Training board also. With a piece of food, idea.
I mean, man, much money we have to lock off and so.
Listen, man, come on, man. My idea, I don't know me, say, boy, we'll suppose I come down there today. I bring truck here, come collect the money.
Oh.
It could be our piece of
When you walk
food.
there, serious up there.
Yeah. You're not fit, I'm afraid.
No, man, we're not doing nothing, man. I'm paying, man. Come on, man.
Fall under the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Father, collect extortion for the boy, deal. I'm not in the boat, I'm going to
That is good, man. Come on,
You
man.
sure?
Come on,
I
man.
want to link me here, friend.
That's father, man. I want to grow, man. I want to
But
man.
your father on the place, man.
So the father and son on the place, man. Come on, man.
Yes, sir. You just have to marry.
Lock the door, I'm not even going to tell me something.
Big.
Ready. I'm tell me I'm ready, man.
Everything we have up on you.
Yo, I'm ready, daddy.
See, police come, run. You hear me tell you?
You forget the chance to shot one of them when I do it too. Bomba. Yo, so for me there. Yo, if you want to give one of them to the dog.
Calm down, man. I push it to make a 1 minute, you know.
So I'm holding. I'm carry.
Put it in your way. Sure. Yo, I shot that so make them go and make some money. We not rushing it cause morning and we kind of early, you see me?
So you call me out 5 and I know we are
You
doing it,
see,
man.
man, I know we are doing it. We can't bring in You have to make little money for remember so want a piece of food now.
A big food one.
Exactly.
But where we are going to turn about that, sir?
No,
Post
man,
police
man,
or something.
man, no come with the money.
Oh.
You have to forward the money in a shop. You see?
Yes,
I remember they
interface
want
though.
cheap. Yes, see if man, how we are stop. No man can destroy and say right. You see? So, just go and wait and see what happens.
Oh, look normal still like we are all living.
Puppy! Yeah, boy, they want. Puppy! Better walking, go walk boat. Shit, that's all right, so far.
Your phone and ring. Whoa. You know here.
Mother silent to the point, mother. Mommy, why I pray? I shot me there, mommy.
You gonna shop?
Yeah.
Oh, alright then. Me a good and go check your lawyer. Cause your father have to come out today, here. So make sure you come in.
Alright, do that.
Come in the yard and stay in the yard. Cause I don't want nothing wrong with you on the road.
Mommy, calm down, man. I don't say I will go on the street or the man, but they are shot. Just calm down, man.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man. Just calm me for anything, you know.
Alright.
Alright. My mother, man.
Father.
No, some father, they are jail, man. And my mother say my dear, there's a liar, son.
Oh, your father, they are jail. We good then. We good then, man.
You know, so I hear it a vibrate though. When I go up and work, I put my phone on ring, you know.
Alright, we'll go and wait.
Look, so me look.
Why? Puppy! Sorry, lucky girl. Puppy! No, me lucky girl. See if I can do it. Come here. Puppy!
Miss Susie. How am I come find down the road and Mr. Police car with puppy, you know?
Police girl with
Yeah, car, police car with puppy. Girl, stop see all in dropping your phone.
Let me see this. Police girl with puppy.
Yeah, police car with puppy.
No station where I come from. Jesus Christ, man.
Come on.
Why the fuck in that yard? Hey man. Hello, what are you? Sit down there, some more and talk to you. You see, you make me have to go back smoking. What you want to do? Stress me out like how your past stress me out? You see, I same thing for high school days come. Let me tell you something. So when me and your father used to go to high school, he used to thief pencil. Till he reach in a badness. So he end up now, me have to run up and down behind line, you have to try to get him out. That you want me to do too? Me I talk to you, you come and screw up face for me. You can't screw up face for you. Look, you come blown down the road, but you can't screw up for me, you know. And me can you come here.
But mommy, if I something I want, that I want.
So, me don't have money. Your father bank account have money night. If you want money, you come to me and tell me say you want X amount to do. Even though me go ask you what you want it for, me will still give it and you know me I go still give you it.
But I want to work for me once, so me go work for me once.
Listen here, when me say work for you, I mean go find a job. Go find a work as an accountant or a bank teller or something where we make you make money. Me never tell you if you go rob people shop.
So my job that? I want to man have that at the job.
Oh, so a man you follow? Yeah, but man, a man you follow? Your friend name you follow? No, don't tell me no, not tell me if you man, cause you talk about all the man, so obviously a man you follow. You know what?
I lead me not follow.
Me, this thing will get to me. Your father there in there, I know, me, you see say, me I run up on the being a father with liar. And me have to pay one bag of money. You know how much money me just have to pay for be a you out? You know how much money me have to pay? No, you don't consider them the things there. You just consider your friendship and then to go rob PS with your friend. You can't want to do that.
I mean, a chum change that. Any of me did rubbish shop out, a bigger something that to make it a chum change.
I'm tired if you talk to your puppy. I'm tired. You tell us something why you cut out like your father and like I same shoes you have.
That's what I'm do.
Oh, you're a big man now. You start piss bed. You're a big man. It's alright. I know what you're going to do.
Yo, what kind of style that you do charge? My youth a run left my dog. I bail my mother just come bail me out. But a good thing I'll run with the gun to dog, cause maybe we more even come out youth. So yes, we link up again. Hold on. Yeah, me just see message man. Ah yo, me a forward right now. Cause badness never step in on my dog. I'm gonna say I'm money, you know. You put on your strap or you still have it. Ah. I'll buy one juice and come here.
You're going to buy one juice way. You not just did the pan in the road. You can't stay in the yard.
Obviously, I shop me, I go there, ask me which part me.
I shop you, they tell me say you're going to look over and rob people place and end up in a jail. I don't know how you done so. I can't come here.
Black Barbie. Yeah,
Yeah,
look nice, you know.
Don't do it. I don't want a big belly boy call to me.
You're a bad
And first thing first, shut up, first
bad
thing
man
first.
want in your life.
Bad man, I want in my life, don't worry yourself about that.
You know me? You know who me be?
First shot on
Me
your
a
face.
murderer here.
Murderer. So I say, look, woman, not true. Damn belly big like. You're hungry
Yo, watch
on
your
the
action.
wall.
You know, I'm-
Let me go.
Yo.
Let me go.
You know you-
Let me.
You know you are dealing with. You know you are dealing with. You know you are dealing with. Yo, know what you are doing now? You know who my father be? I will run the street. I know I'm going dog. Come like today I want hot day youth. You just have to fix up a girl down your road youth. You want to get a fight back to you know like a bad girl to you know what a good thing for you. Man a real gun man out there.
I'm going to say.
Nah man, make him go on man, no man, but that's who should have gone for me. That's what
I'm
make
not
him
pardon nobody in you.
Yo, I tell the girl say me like her dog. And Maggie man something just put him in that place.
Yeah. So you do it differently.
Yo man, to come like I want hot day, correct? I'm not even can
Yo, me
believe
say,
you.
yo, me know say boy them with the forward.
Yo, you tell me say it's a safe place, you know, brother.
Yeah,
believe
that
in you.
for them to get you. And that's why I go there and shop and
But
me
you
say
can't
she
trust
shop
people, you. That's why I tell you, look this and look this for you. A good thing me the gate shop, you know.
Yo.
A good thing after me take out
You
and say,
don't
yo, hold it.
lock you up. You don't day back yourself right now, you.
Yo.
It's a good thing me take it from you and say, yo, give me a shop.
Yeah, right now, me
Just
still
go on in
hot.
there, go
Wait, so we do? We go back to the shop or what?
No, you know, we cool down, cause out there, like it kinda
Yo,
hot.
all the police
Like
board there,
board.
yo, all the police board there lock me up to you. Yo, boy, if
easy,
it dead in a youth.
easy, calm down. You see, cause the street around hot come so one youth get shot on a fry fish lane. You
A while
see?
ago?
Yeah.
Place around hot dog. Yo, I want hot day in a
So
youth.
that's why I'm there out there, so I go on easy, but you see.
Yo, I wish back this
But if you have your eyes open, I'm trust you. Oh, I boy Davidan. I'm not this boy, I'm not. Wow, I'm general. Boy, Davidan. Let's buy a cut, that's sir. Hello, boy. Yo, boy, I can't inform up here. I really trust you, but I'm boy still. Go on, general. What in a general? What that's the one?
Too many see dogs, man.
The different.
Yeah, alright. So I'm going to cross to another.
Oh, we're up on the road kind of way. You're not seeing a police out on the road. Oh, there one look up on this man in the frig up.
What one?
This one gonna get locked up.
Yo, calm down like that, everything is my keep and
Lock
one
up.
came on.
What one?
Yo, I would have man coming at it. You're gonna late.
That's
I'm
alright.
gonna move like a uniform.
I'm bored, man. You get locked up this morning and go up on a little work and I try and...
I'm going to go back in the jail. I'm going to look like you and say this dog.
Yo, go on where you go. Go on where you go. Go on where you go, man. Hey, you know what I call you over for.
Daddy. You know, so me I want to around this a while ago. I want fat chubby boy see me. Now because I look them tense, so me don't want him to beat me up. Yeah. Me up a yard, me run come this a while ago because me never carry my phone. I shop look about the shop lock. Yeah. Alright.
Yo, Brittany. Yo, your father. Why pray now?
But me say, me dey come from a shop, right? And one boy see me and I look me and me tell him say me no want him. And then the boy start diss me up on one bag of same thing and then he start fire big dick pan me and fist me up on one bag of and I have to run off come up here. And
Yo.
say time me call you.
I don't really hear what you good. I don't hear what you say good on the phone, so I just come to hear what I want. When you say one boy lick my daughter,
One fat boy.
I know you violate him.
No, me a walk past the shop me a come
Me
from.
not play, you know. You're sure now you violate him?
I know me a pass and I look me tell him say me no want him.
The prison I come from, you know. I come to change my life because I spend time with you. You're sure you don't violate him?
Me no violate him.
Yo, bring me go show me. No, too.
I play with your watch, but I left it.
Yeah, go on. Hurry up. Boy, lick my daughter. Like you know, so my dog, me can spell love. Can I suppose? Dark, my dark, you know.
Yeah, don't come with the man for defend it. How happen?
Him.
Boy. Yo, you know how my father, Buja, my father, and a badness, you know, what you do?
Wait, sir, Buja, your father? Bujo, I first youth. We teach me for thief goat and push me through in there, boy. Buja, your father?
Buja, my father, so one of them.
Hey, boy, a matter of fact, lift up. No. Lift up, boy. I think we bring up on this area for boy, box here. Yo, Killer Bean. Yeah, man, coloring book, man. Watch out, you're still in your cell with Bujo. You give me phone right now. Yo, watch out now. Bujo. Listen what I say, man, a coloring book. You know remember me? Yeah, man. The youth the enemies the thief go out there, man. The first youth you push through the window. Alright, you know me I say now, I just come from prison and come spend some time with my daughter. And my daughter make me know say your son, because I even know say you have a son. You see me? Box him down. So I just come box him down back. So watch out now, the more you call your son and make him know say you watch out now, so you deal with the lady. So watch out now. You see if you can't talk him for him all the meds, then watch out now. You know the code, you hear that? Forward.
You forgot that?
I just calm, man.
What happened? What
I
happened?
just love the
Where you got shop go
man.
buy? How many does you know when you go buy?
I'm tell her that's easy, and mommy, that's always
Who's
a
part
question me.
No, but I'm a question. Who's part you really go? Where you really go?
What me I left? Which part me tell her say me I go?
You tell me say you go shop, but you not come back with nothing there. Now when you come back with one juice or something where you go buy, where you go buy, me not see you come back with nothing. So you rub for your face so.
No man, I son, to me and son born.
So phone I come like it again. Yeah, babe. Me there stress out and think cause you dey stress me and feel like a boy if you come like you want take for me head off of my body.
Yo, I'm a car to talk to you. Give him the phone there.
Come here to come sit down. Your part talk to you more here. Every word you talk to you about. Sit down there so. Sit down
Got
there
it.
so.
Yo, what kind of thing is you going with?
Where me go on it?
You just say you are look girl and a fan of girls. Whenever you got enough free time with the daddy, ask your mama. No, not your mama, ask your mother. If when me a look at me bother up and go. No, I'm not do that.
No, daddy, what my friend name say? My friend name say a bad money girl in love.
No, but them fool you. Girl of bad man, boy, you have to give the girl respect though. Bad man have respect. Right?
But she never have no respect for me when me I look at. She a style me. Me have to make she know where she a deal with. Daddy, me must say you can protect me, and I must say I'm a father, you know. You run the street, you know, daddy.
I am here to you now. I'm only one person. So you're not bad man, you know. Me are the bad man. And me the behind by. Right? So when I want you to go there, try and be a better man than I am and I was. Right? So this means that look the girl them bad. Treat them with respect. You know what I mean? And then you will get where you get. And then you won't have no regret. I hope you understand me and I hope you sink in. You know what I mean? So
Yep, your father talk to
I
you.
do that
Put
road.
the phone in
I
your ears.
do that road. You know what I mean? The lion is step on the case. I do that road. But you have to look out for yourself, daddy. You don't know who are who. You know what I mean? So not this nobody. I don't know who related to who? The girl when you did I'm a virgin daughter, right?
But daddy man come back me up and defend it.
Who box who?
Me defend you know daddy.
No, you hear me answer now. No, that don't. Because you lick in daughter and lick your back. I see me if a boy will lick my daughter, I kill me and kill her. So, I never know say I have a son. I already know. So everything good, man. But then I'm done with about that. That's done with. He go protect you. Everybody this year road, him go protect you now because he know who you be now. But you have to do better than that next time. When you see the girls, then you lick your girl. Son at all. No use your hand, no use your tongue. What we say enough to the son?
Daddy, me hear you something.
Mr. No lick no girl. You want lick girl?
Daddy, me not there for them things.
You think girl ice cream, yeah, lick girl? Hey, don't let me know. No lick no girl. No
Your
lick
father
no
can't
lick
kill.
no
And we must say kill and do nothing wrong.
Alright, so you want to know. Realize they're tough, you know. But through here will feel. This boy look like a bad man. Plenty to talk to me.
Your father talk to you.
So you want to know. And the boy said to David himself, yeah, I want to go and some food I don't food I don't come out. But one time somebody go jump on a package. But we need to know where the money will come, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so no worries there. We don't have money and food, right?
Yeah, may have money and food.
Alright, somebody pick up some money for Japan and put you away. Alright, that's alright.
Alright.
Yo, how would I do want it? Yo, keep on kicking and place. Now wait, where you come from? Where you come?
Kicking up. So he really got it. Jesus, please. Tell me something now. You really got road. No, you let me say no. You left for years. Oh, yeah, me I talk to you. Me I talk to you. Shut up. Me I talk. I'm talking. You left for years, so you got shop. What time you have to go up this to beat up people, girl, pity that man can come back in your face?
I show my father friend.
No, what are they? Suppose I never your father friend and you go back up somebody now and somebody and your father go do things out of way up puppy. I'm tired to talk to you. I'm tired. I swear I'm tired.
No, talk to me. Talk to him in a box.
Talk to
me.
now you're doing that things. Why? It's just
Listen nothing to me.
So,
What your problem?
me and your father done splash out everything already and half your views saying.
And you like any care?
We can't talk about things. We just come to apologize.
Hello, do not come close to me. Don't do it.
I'm really sorry for how I did day every day. You see me? I have to put your hand on you. I'm gonna never do it again. You see me? Everything was just a misunderstanding. I hope you forgive me.
Really hard to forgive you. To tell the truth. Very hard.
I know say it all hard. Because of what I do. You see me? I'm gonna put my hand on you, so I know say it all hard. But I just hope you just bend your mind and just forgive me. I'm really sorry about it.
The first expression you give me just to show you the type of person you be. But think me take a number and we can just start text and see.
So where you reach now?
I'm go down on the road then.
Can I follow you then? What you mean?
You don't have to hold my hand.
I know me just get to meet like the first impression will be strong.
But you don't have to hold me this time.
But come here now, where you move looking for? You know,
Then
give
come
me a
on.
number.
You don't give me number.
I just want to hold on, you know, tell me.
I took all the phone and just hold the phone now, sir.
So I can't be so strong with me. You know, say I go have me upset with you, but you never be upset with me. Come and walk and talk. Go on, man. What you say?
Go on, bad dog.
Boy, there, boy. I pay things that go on, my dog.
You know, sir, me say one nigga named Coloring Book there in that place. I know.
Oh, the night I come forward and tell about, man. I kill her, though.
Yeah, a long time, man.
So you know, say box me up there, dog.
Box you up.
Do you remember I said there in my left someone when I look eat that virgin come around and tell me I'm in a rating move and I come and touch up me like me love, man. That's why I get cross and get up there. Because I come tell him, man. You tell him, man, my business there. I don't know him, man. I don't rate them something. So as I left here, sir, now, it said, girl, let me tell you something that I cut 2 box, man, and thump him up on something, man. And him come back with his father, man, like his father. So I hear from his father. Yeah, man, I tell you.
So for you left here, so you see him and him backs you up.
Yeah, man, the dog beat unexpected, my father.
So you don't know who your father be?
Here, man, I dead, me nearly dead out.
Yeah?
Maybe I didn't say a bourgeois, my father dead, me dead. I pop out, man, pop out in guns, so. When I say, no, who my father, boy? Bourgeois, my father, you know. He put it in easy box up. And then my man say, yo, lift up, and I just lift up, dog, you know. The badness said, dog, I bust me, they don't bust out back in here, but the show right now, me all a looking data. I'm just get all our number, so I just left it, you know. I don't want to hurt her feelings. Because I tell her sorry
you wrong,
still, you know.
still wrong. You don't go around the corner, you're wrong.
Nah, that be nice, man, but me wrong. I'm there, man. I apologize to her still. I apologize to her.
Are you wrong? Because you shouldn't put your hand on a lady in the first place. Is it?
So on the forward the day, you tell me say you want to go shoot the girl. I know
no.
two man get back to your contact.
In a different mood, I realize. I say then.
A coward I get coward, man.
No, I get coward, daddy. Listen, man.
A coward I get coward.
That day that me I look out, I say police did the thing just gone.
Oh. So yeah, the day now.
There, man.
Come like man, I could start rolling that strap to you know you would.
Oh, from where I come from,
man.
The shot, keep it. The shot, I'm gonna go so I'll clean up the rifle. That's it. I just come back and there, so I look something for conceal in the morning. You see me?
So they are badness then, man. They are
good
badness. Yeah, man, me there, man.
Yeah, maybe later. Maybe the one crime still. That's it. But see, I read still.
Show up on the bird, man. The bird active, you know.
Yeah.
Contract killing, you know you go.
Right,
Bird for show.
Charge. You want to do badness, boy, you don't go badness.
Evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Who's this lovely young lady?
I have to meet my girlfriend.
You can't go sit down now. Oh, damn.
My old man, this.
Hello.
Go through a rough time still, but I love so.
Nice meeting you too.
I fear her father, me and him be getting an entanglement. The time when we did boxer or something.
Hey? So, I share the box.
Yeah.
And I fear father box you up.
Mommy, that don't talk about that.
And then you and I they know. You're a young girl nowadays.
Mommy. Come on, man. I talk to my girlfriend, but you're a young girl.
So, they should have young.
But you're a young girl, mommy. You can't say young girl or young princess. You don't have to say anything about young girl.
I feel remote and I feel me house.
Oh, come on, man.
For remote and
So
I
I
feel
don't
me
like
house.
your people and if you know.
For remote, for me house.
Come on. If you only have a mother to shut it to box.
So I'm gonna break down first. You know, like, I'm gonna first time you.
So, that's good.
So I deal with my pillow. Fall. Yeah, you cannot pass it, fall. Over it. Let's have one.
Yo, two boys will shoot up. You know, this guy.
Yeah, idiot. What you say again?
I run, come on, I said, daddy, yo.
Yo, I gun by man shoot up here.
Yo,
Which
daddy,
boy them there? You know where they
you
come
gonna
from?
stick, bro.
Yeah, he that man a shooting and no shoot man.
Right, run and fry fish,
Yo, give me that.
Yo, me no want to put it
Yo,
on
give me,
the platform,
daddy, yo,
bro.
give me gun, the man over dirty boy, man, I want to
You
play,
sure
man.
about
No
this?
boy can't diss my friend and live in,
Yo,
man.
man, you just say that. Go on.
Eh, may I come, man? Give me a minute. Go on now, may I come? May I come? Me say may I come? Ah, yeah, me call. Alright, me call.
Yo, yeah, you sure,
Yo,
bro?
me
Me
say,
no
give me,
want to
yo,
get like
give me gun, no brother, I'm gonna dirty boy, and man, I want to, man. Where's it then?
fry fish on this road.
I wish one of them.
Oh, then sure.
So it's for screech up on me, sir.
Go more and come from jail and come catch you down man in here, so may I speak up on you.
What's man? So where they give me heart attack?
Oh, talk chat foolish. You go try something like you can't, nothing can do you. What may I say do, you know somebody, differently. Then I place you now, you get grocery door.
I'm going to buy food for the house.
Right. I now go to Tarria, you know. But some food, me get some food. I'm going to show out on the road back because the boy them watch me.
So all the food alone I come for?
You come for food. Anything you want, you have to come up a yard feed. And when you come, more you hide and forward because them watch me some of them. Yo, them offer me now, you know. Because I bust the case and I'm a liar big. I'm a liar big and stink.
Yeah, you know, man.
Yeah. Alright, so you want to know. Just cook some food and then we can move over on Sunday.
Ain't they coming with his girlfriend and you know like you see a girl when saying back up.
Oh.
Yeah, true. Me say them a little girl and girl nowadays in bed and gone.
Alright, anyway, that good. Now worry about that. Because you're in there good as long as you keep yourself out of trouble. Anyway, look what we are looking for.
How are you?
Mommy just love me and one of mommy, man.
Your father come.
Mommy, you can't tell me nothing before, but I love me. I mean,
Your father there in their room.
you want me to come to me?
Maybe take time talk to him. Come here, everybody. Your father there.
Mommy, you want me to come to me?
Yo, pick me. Oh, God, I know. Hey, contact your singer. You know what you're going like say? How are your eyes? How are your eyes? Where are she kind of going so? Oh, what are you? How are your ears?
What are you?
Oh, dear, so.
A girl blocking your heart, man. Well, a man and man talk. One boy, all boy. Daddy, I said thing to me, you know. You see the first girl.
Daddy, if you don't know nothing, daddy, no talk, man. Just calm down, no, daddy.
Why you so angry, daddy, like you want to hang yourself? Calm down, one day now. Sit down, that's a man. You try to kick you down for a long time now, you're not so loud. Alright, so where's that going on now? Where are Chambers?
Self in a problem, daddy.
Where you do?
Police are look for me.
Sure.
Just kill one man up myself for my virgin.
You kill man, you virgin, with love, where you don't kill him?
Daddy, look at.
Oh, boy. So, Paul's man there, dead?
He's young dead up there.
Dead man tell me until calm down, man. You what go on now.
That the first man me a kill.
But even no, shh. The one, you know. The one about this, you know. You think say that survive one night of prison? Only less they know say I'm your father. You're my son. But you are now. Your mother tell me say you're gone. You carry a girl today.
You me carry my girlfriend coming. I'm gonna make
You
this
mess
her.
it here now. I'm gonna make you a deal. Because they have some good things that come up and we have some people diss me. Some of us do one thing and just diss them back now and just turn myself in and serve time for the crime where you commit. But even now, you have to promise me now, say, you go put on this pretend to be a bad man. You understand? You go put it down. You promise me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Nobody see you?
People did it.
Where they have on?
Sit cool, me have one.
Take off a shirt and give me. I'll put on it and go up there. But we're going to see them type of clothes still. That much are coming. We're going to go up there still and talk to them. Who part to kill somebody?
Right up on the chop up someone and go up the road.
Alright, what am I going to do?
Take it right.
We're going to chat to every witness up there and tell them to say, I do it. But you know what you need to do? You go change your life.
Me do it, Daddy. Me do it.
The violence don't make sense, you know.
Me do it, Daddy. Me don't want to go to prison. Me do it. Me do it. I promise you. Just for police now come.
No man, they don't move so fast, man. When shot fire, they don't move so fast. Calm down. They don't move so fast. It will take a time. You have to wait till the real bad police them come through. So don't worry about that, man. They now come so quick. But what I say to you though, more you know say what you do a foolish and me I give you a second chance. Right? But be off yourself, wash off yourself. Wash off yourself with cooking oil, engine oil and all them oil there. You wash off the ground residue off your hand. You know what I mean? Use some lime, use every little thing, wash off yourself. You know what I mean? So that means you're clean out of it. So if them will question you, you don't know nothing, you don't see nothing. You understand? You just calm down yourself, breathe easy, calm down yourself, hold your composure. And get some grand pitney. Name the first boy after me. Because I me go give you the opportunity now. You can live the life there. Because police lock you up and now, you go to 25 to 30 years. And that will left you when you know how much you know. When you come out, you're 50 years. Me have my lawyer. Me get a lesser charge. You understand?
Alright, Daddy, no promises I go change.
Me I go tell everybody say careful when chat them out too. But I'm going to try solve the case and be do it time for you. But remember, put on it, badness and badness. You're not fit for it. You can't manage it.
Daddy, you just call the jail and you back again.
Don't worry yourself, man. Jail like me, yeah. You never make for that. Right, you make for me. You don't make for you. You hear me? You have a son. Bring you come here, which I agree better. I should have been here. So do not make the same mistake. I don't want you be in the bars when you have a youth them because you don't get no time to grow them properly. To tell them right from wrong. What you do was wrong. You understand me? And if you touch the wrong word again, me I stand in jail. Send somebody. Come bury you.
Bury me?
Yeah, so if you think you're bad, me serious. Because when I come back now, I come back and plan to change my life. That I come back for you know. You and say, so you put me in a problem now. I come back to change my life. Give your mother one more picnic because she's pregnant now, you know. One more picnic on the way. So I have left this one now. By the time I come out, she could have been I was supposed to I'm also on that I'm up and now. So make sure so you do the right thing.
Alright, Daddy.
Now go on the road. Yo. Bears, me nobody hungry now. Now look at things for mash up, right? So cook the food. Me soon come back.
You probably need to pay another day.
No, don't worry yourself, man.
Alright, to reach the end of the movie. You understand the story? Alright, lesson well learned. Alright, so the movie on saw a base offer. Right? The father used to do things when he was young and now must face the consequence. Because his son can do the same thing and now he must take what his son do and make him just go and live in life because him no want his son end up like how him if he walk out there so police lock him up because him is a wanted man, right? So give thanks to you who reached to the end, right? And remember to like the video because we want to roll smoothly with the algorithm. Alright, so we want video this movie to recommend to 1,000 more people. Right? So if you're watching from the UK, the America, anywhere I watch from, we give thanks here and we thank you for the support we give to this channel.